All right, so in our last explainer, we really dug into Claude's pricing. We figured out the cost, but now we get to the really exciting part, the capability. Because, knowing what something costs is one thing, but knowing how to make it totally invaluable, that's a whole other ballgame. Today, we're going to make that leap from just having access to becoming an expert. And that's the big question, isn't it? You've got the keys to this incredibly powerful engine, right? But how do you actually learn to drive it like a pro? How do you go from just asking it simple stuff to making it a partner, an indispensable partner in your work, your personal projects, or your next big app? Well, that's exactly what we're here to figure out. Pretty much every single person who starts using a new tool like this hits that now what moment. It's that space between having the tool and truly masterfully wielding it. We're going to bridge that gap by talking about this really important idea, AI fluency. And this isn't just about using Claude. It's about learning to think with Claude, to weave its power into your own workflow so seamlessly it feels like second nature. So how in the world do we get fluent? Well, thankfully, Anthropic has already built the roadmap for us. It's called the Anthropic Academy. And you should really think of this as your central campus. It's the official, all-in-one resource that's designed to take you on that whole journey, from total beginner to absolute expert. And listen, the scope of the Academy it's pretty impressive. This isn't just a couple of tutorials they threw online. No, this is a seriously structured collection of resources. It covers everything from the real nitty-gritty of API development for coders all the way up to high-level strategies for rolling Claude out across an entire company. It's basically your mentor, your library, and your launchpad, all in one spot. And here's the key thing to understand. One size does not fit all. The Academy gets that a developer, a marketing manager, and, say, a college student all have totally different goals. And that's why it lays out 3 very distinct learning paths, each one tailored to how you are going to use Claude. So let's break them down one by one. Okay, first up, this one's for all the builders out there, the coders, the creators. This path is built for anyone who wants to plug Claude's intelligence directly into their own apps, their software, their services. If you're looking at Claude and thinking, that's the engine for my next big idea, well, this is your starting line. Yeah, this probably sounds super familiar to a lot of developers. You can see all the potential. You want to build a smarter chatbot, or a data analysis tool, or maybe a creative writing assistant, but just staring at a wall of API documentation, it can feel like you're trying to learn a whole new language from scratch. It's a totally common hurdle. So, the Academy gives you a really structured way to get over that hurdle. Step 1 is the fundamentals. The API guides aren't just a boring list of functions. They're more like cookbooks, filled with code samples in Python and TypeScript that get you up and running in just a few minutes. Then, step 2, this is where the magic really starts, learning the best practices. We're talking about mastering techniques like prompt chaining for complex jobs, or how to get really reliable JSON output for your app. And finally, step 3 is the payoff, powering your application. I mean, imagine building a customer support bot that not only answers questions, but can analyze the entire conversation transcript to summarize the ticket automatically. That is what we call moving from theory to real impact. All right, let's switch gears to the next path. This one's for the professional, the team lead, the project manager. Really, it's for anyone who's looking to crank up productivity and efficiency in a business setting. This is all about using Claude as a force multiplier for your entire team. Oh man, this is a pain point that is felt in basically every office everywhere, right? You spend way too much time summarizing meeting notes, drafting endless emails, analyzing reports, and not nearly enough time on the big picture, strategic work. The whole goal is to offload that repetitive stuff so you can work smarter, and that's exactly what this path is designed to fix. And here's the game plan. It kicks off with implementation strategy. So how do you even get your team onboarded the right way? Then it dives into real concrete techniques. For example, think about your sales team. Instead of having them manually write a summary after every single client call, you could create a saved prompt that says something like, analyze this call transcript and generate a summary using the DEAL framework. And then you define it. D for discovery, E for evaluation, A for action items, and L for learnings. Bam! Now your entire team is using the same powerful structured process, and it takes seconds. That's a repeatable system for productivity, and this path teaches you exactly how to build it. And the final path? Well, this one's for everyone. This is about using Claude not for some big application or a company, but just for you, for your personal projects, your hobbies, your daily chores, and your own learning. This is all about making your life more efficient and honestly, a little more creative.
And I mean, who can't relate to this one? Just think about planning a complex vacation, juggling flights, hotels, things to do, and trying to mash it all into an itinerary. Or maybe you're a student trying to get through a mountain of dense research papers. Or maybe you just want to get better at real prepping for the week. These are those everyday challenges where an intelligent assistant can be a total game changer.
So this path is all about direct, straightforward application. First, you just find out what Claude can do. Then, you immediately put it to work. So instead of just thinking about that trip, you could literally upload your flight confirmation PDFs, a list of your interests like ancient history and great pizza, and ask Claude to build you a 5-day, hour-by-hour itinerary that even minimizes your travel time between spots. Or, take a picture of your fridge on a Sunday night, upload it, and ask, what are 3 healthy meals I can make with what you see here? The goal is simple. Take its power and use it to streamline and just plain enrich your daily life.
Now, learning all these skills is absolutely fantastic, but let's be real. In today's world, being able to prove your proficiency, that's incredibly valuable. And this is where the Anthropic Academy really takes it to the next level. It's not just about learning, it's about getting formal, official recognition for your new expertise.
And the process is super clear and achievable. You just start by enrolling in a course, maybe something like Claude 101, to get the foundations down. Or you could jump into something more advanced if you're on that developer path. Then you just work through all the learning modules at your own speed. Once you're done and you've completed them successfully, you earn an official professional certificate straight from Anthropic. And look, this is so much more than just a digital piece of paper. In a super competitive job market, this certificate is a powerful signal to employers, to clients, to your colleagues. It's that little something extra on your resume or your LinkedIn profile that actually validates your expertise. It says, hey, I've gone through a structured, official curriculum, and I'm serious about achieving real AI fluency. But fluency, it's not a destination you just arrive at one day and then you're done. It's a continuous journey, especially because the world of AI is changing at a mind-boggling speed. So, once you've finished a course, how do you stay on that cutting edge? Yep, Anthropic has an answer for that, too. I'd like you to meet the AI Fluency newsletter. Now, this is not just another email clogging up your inbox. Think of it as a curated quarterly knowledge drop. It delivers the absolute latest research findings, new innovative frameworks for getting better results, and practical resources on AI collaboration. For instance, a new framework might teach you an advanced prompting technique to help Claude reason through really complex logic problems step by step. Subscribing is basically like having a continuous education program delivered right to you. So, there you have it. The path is all laid out. The resources are all there. A structured, tailored roadmap that takes you from your very first steps all the way to becoming a certified expert, with a plan to keep you current for years. The only question left is, well, it's the most important one. With this guide now in your hands, what are you going to build, create, or solve first?